Sup? Today, this is real life Call of Duty.
Kind of. This is like round 2. This is round 2 of the epic Nerf War battle. Here we got first person view of mine. Oh, I'm gonna do it like that. There you go. See it? I got a
Kyle's
sniper.
Pissed at me.
Yeah, because in the last round he shot me in the head. But you never saw this in the video. It turns out I won because it was a headshot and we were doing no headshots allowed.
There's no headshots. I'm sorry.
It was an insta kill. Okay, buddy. So yeah.
Okay, and there's a couple
Little
of rules
piston.
to this. There's 20 seconds to run. Nobody shoots in that 20 seconds.
Oh yeah. And by the way, since it's gonna be hard to shoot like this and all that, I'm gonna stay in my sniper zone up there. Just saying. So you guys gotta come to me.
And stay in this yard. And after the first person gets killed,
Should we
there's
stay?
a death match within 30 seconds. Death match is basically a duel. You stand back to back. You take about 10
Oh, that?
and you snipe each other when I say go, or when somebody says go.
It's like the old west. So
Kyle is gonna shoot a gun up in the air. That means starting.
keeping
And
this
you
bullet.
count to 20, all right?
That'll be mine. Okay, let me you want to take this for a second?
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Give me that.
Okay. Last round it was Eric's vision, so here's my turn. First up we got okay. Let's see. It's hard to see through the scope. Got Eric right there. Staying in a safe area. Here we go, here we go. Okay, we're doing good, we're doing good. I'm staying on the low. This is gonna be a little hard. Okay, we got
Death match in 30 seconds.
Eric is out. Oh crap! This is gonna be hard to film.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Give up now, Matthew.
9, 10.
Give up now.
11,
Ha! You're fucking screwed!
14, 15, 16,
Go!
17,
Damn it!
19,
Ah!
22, 23,
Death match! Alright, Eric. Take the camera, please. It's hard to do this with one hand, but here you go.
All right, here's the death match.
It's hard to snipe
So-
with the camera in your hand.
Stand back to back here.
This will be hard, Matthew.
Stand back to back here.
Swear. Back to back.
When I fire this gun, you each take 10 paces. Okay?
Any
And then you stay there. You stay there. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Now, you cannot dodge. You cannot duck. Only shooting. Who goes first?
Me!
You go first. Go.
Hey, sorry. That's only my foot.
He got shot in the foot. Now you have one shot to match. Oh, Kyle wins it again. Woo!
I won rightfully.
All right.
Get it rightful.
See you later.
Hey,
We'll
buddy.
be back with more.